friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you have seen in the last video, my car is in the workshop. It is already 4-5 days since the car is in the workshop. For some reasons I have not been able to go, and the other reason is that head what had gone in for a lathe work for grinding, that had also not come. So as such the work was all halted till that thing comes, only the work progresses ahead. तो शायद कल the head would have arrived in the workshop. I had spoken to the mechanic, Mr. Ravi. So he told it was supposed to arrive yesterday evening. So as it is, I have not been for such a long time, so I thought I should pay a visit today. तो आइए मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ what is the progress in the car today. I'll see you at the workshop in few seconds. चलिए. So friends, we are back to the workshop here now, and he has already fixed the engine. Head कल आ गया था, so he has already done all the job. Now only minute jobs are going on. आइए मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको गाड़ी. आप देखिए पूरा इंजन has been assembled already. Now he is changing the spark plug sensing. Still the problems are not solved. He's trying to get it sorted out. Tried starting the engine, still it is not smooth. Trying to find where the problem is. Battery is down. हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक. तो अभी तक आपने जो देखा था was a video taken yesterday and I didn't have much to show you, so I thought why not combine 2 days together. तो अभी हम वापस जाएंगे वर्कशॉप में and see what's the progress on the car, because yesterday they had done up the engine and they started it as you have already seen. अभी चलते हैं, देखते हैं what's the progress on the car going on. So let's meet you again back at the workshop. Guys, just reached the workshop and Uh, there was a slight leakage from the gearbox, so I told them to open the gearbox and check where the leak is from. All the packings are, they're changing all the packings and it's checking up the clutch also. Come, I'll show you the car now. So that's the gearbox over here. Gearbox has been removed. And that's the gearbox. That's the flywheel and the clutch. Clutch is still okay. So now all the work will be pakka now, there won't be any problems. The engine is already done yesterday, so probably I'll get the delivery of the car by today evening or tomorrow once they fix the gearbox. I doubt that I'll get it today, but tomorrow definitely is. The engine was missing actually, so some little bit of knocking inside, so they have already rectified. All oil changed, oil filter and all, everything is changed. You can see the filter over here, the new filter. So all done. And that's the clutch. This is the cover assembly over here. That's the flywheel. So there was an oil leak from the shaft which connects to the gearbox, and there you can see all the oil in here leaking from the engine. So we are getting even that done now. So the shaft has to be given for polishing in lathe, so only after it comes it'll all be refixed. So guys, you have had the look of the car. तो देखते हैं अभी, या तो कल मिल जाएगा. I told him to check the car again properly. The car should heat up again. If it takes a day longer, it doesn't matter. So let's see, I'll come to know only tomorrow what is happening with it. So इतना ही था आज के लिए. If you have liked the video, please do give a like, please do share, and please do subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Until then, wear your seatbelts, drive safe, and enjoy your drive. Bye bye.